never-ending shopping for a new bike, second-hand bike, whatever bike. Thing to look for with a bike: make sure it's got 2 keys. When you get the keys, make sure they fit the ignition, the petrol cap, and your seat. The reason for this is very simple. It is a common con job, to be sure, that people do. They will get a bike and they will sell it to you, but they will keep one of the keys. The reason they keep the key is that they can follow you home and steal it back. And then they can either hold it for ransom and charge you more money for it, or they can sell it as parts. Another reason is that somebody might have gotten a stolen bike and switched the plates and switched over the ignition. This means your key might fit the ignition, but it might not fit the petrol cap. If it doesn't fit the petrol cap, the ignition, and the seat, one key should fit all. If it doesn't fit this, then at some point somebody has replaced the petrol cap or the ignition, which means the bike could have been stolen. That's when you want to start checking engine numbers and frame numbers.